Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the easy assembling of this tripod, which is the tripod with the soft light lamp. See here, this is the exact product. I purchased it on Flipkart for 1200 rupees. This comes with two things actually, the light and the tripod. The tripod is of metal, metal and plastic build, and it is looking decently good quality. And currently I have mounted DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is the pocket gimbal camera. So this I mounted, so multiple ways you can use it actually. You can keep the light here, you can install the light, or you can install a camera, which is this camera is very portable. That's the reason I kept this for top down shots. Okay, in the previous video I just unboxed this BLDC fan by recording the video using this tripod and that camera. Okay, so yes, this you can use it as the kitchen means cooking videos also, or the unboxing videos like this. Okay, this is the package. So I'll be starting from the starting. I'll be showing you how you can assemble this. Basically all the bottom stand is pre-installed, means it comes with this only, this 3-leg tripod. This comes as it is, no need to install or no need to screw up things or anything. All these are pre-installed. Okay, you can just move this so that the legs gets extended, so that whichever is comfortable to you, you can keep it that way. You can tighten the screws. Okay, yeah, let me keep this on the bottom. Okay, here are the plastic adjustable screws. You can loosen up and extend the rods. Remember, this is 11-inch tripod fill light lamp. Okay, so in 3 ways the extension is given: the top one and the middle one and the bottom one. This is the 11-inch. Okay, from the top down I want to show you. Yeah, and at the top part there is a screw like thing. Here you can screw up a small ball like thing, which is rotatable, and this is the LED professional fill light. Right now we'll try to assemble this light from this package. Okay, LED display and light, which is a soft light, and which got 3 variations actually. And the review of this tripod come light, I'll be posting this after I use this for at least 2 to 3 weeks. If you want the review video of this particular tripod with light, you can just ask in the comments, so I'll be doing that. And this is a USB light. Okay, there is no other power source. Through the USB only you need to give the power source for this light, and there is a small remote control given. You need to turn on, and there are 3 modes: warm light, soft light, and another soft light. You can increase and decrease the intensity of the light. There is just like volume up and down buttons given in the small remote. You can just control the intensity. See here, just with the screw you can directly fit this LED light. Okay, or else there is one more option which is given in the package. So the person who is standing in front of this LED light, the light will be on the person, so that the video recording or the photography looks decently good with the better lighting. And this is one small extension which is very useful, and this makes this tripod worthy actually. So we want different angles or different shapes for the light to be projected, right? So for that this will be useful. You can just loosen this and use that ball screw in whichever direction you want, means almost like 180 to 270 degrees. This is rotatable. Okay, yeah, see here, you can just rotate it so that you can keep the light in that way. And not only light, I have kept this at the starting of the video. I have shown you, right? I have kept this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 pocket camera with this screw only, so that for the top down shots, for cooking videos, for unboxing videos, you can use this tripod. And now, as this is basically soft fill light tripod, I'm just attaching this. Just screw it. Okay, screw and rotate. See here, as a study lamp also you can use. See, intensity you can increase with that remote. So this is very easy installation. Along with this, there is also a mobile holder. I am going to show you that one also. And as I said, there is a options for increasing intensity and decreasing, right? These are the buttons. Anyone can easily install this soft fill light. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. Now what I'll do is I'll be showing you this mobile holder also. Basically, when you want to record with the mobile, you can keep the mobile in portrait mode and the landscape mode. I will be showing you, and this is the extension given. This is completely of plastic build quality. Okay, so yeah, this is also plastic. This goes onto the rod. Okay, just you can extend that and you can easily fit it to the rod. I'll be showing you that also. With this mobile extension, the whole assembling of this tripod come soft light is complete. Okay, you can just, these are two parts. Okay, one is the actual mobile holder and one fits into this rod. This one fits into the rod, and this is the actual mobile holder. So you need to just put that ball here, just press it, just press, this gets fitted. And as this is in the ball shape, this also for the easy rotation. I have tested this is very good. Just let me screw this up. You can tighten this by rotating this. Yeah, just rotate that. Okay, done. Now just what you can do is you can just open this and just press inside the rod so that it holds to the rod, and this clip is for the tight fit. Okay, you can just use this screw here, and there are 3 level adjustments. In whichever the way you want, you can keep that. Okay, according to the fitting, you can use this strip, and once you use that strip, you can lock it. See here, you need to adjust the tightness, right, by this strip. Yeah, now you can lock this strip by pressing that in the opposite direction. Yes, to the other direction you can just lock it so that it get perfectly fit. Later you can place your mobile and start recording videos or taking the photography. Yeah, as I said, you just need to lock it like this. Yeah, I'll be showing you here. That's lock. Now this tightly holds up to the tripod rod, and you can place the mobile in the vertical direction and the horizontal direction. So you can record the long videos, or you can record the short videos for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Yeah, see here. Currently I just removed the light, and I have kept this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the light and the phone, sorry. So multiple purpose you can use it. Means I am using this for the multiple purpose. I just kept the light aside, and if you feel this assembling of this product is useful for you, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.